Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's well, it's late.
Yeah.
It's 10 after 2.
What have we been doing?
Okay, so we're day 4, and the dumpster shows evidence of progress.
A lot.
So now we're going to have Eileen give us a tour and tell us what we did, what's been done, and where we're at.
Wow, I don't know if I can remember.
Well, you just go room by room real
So,
quickly.
Drew and Kyle were here yesterday and provided us some really good labor.
Some manpower.
Yeah, really didn't do anything in here. You want to show them? We already did the bathroom.
We just go room by room again so they can see the progress.
All
So
right, so got all this up. It was all this mess of all the drywall.
that's just a little mess.
The wood and it was all in the carpeting, and it was a 4-man job, and we got it all out. Drew came up with a clever way of doing it. So this is, but anyway, a lot of progress has been done here.
So
The toilet's making noises.
shake the handle. You poke it.
Oh. Okay, and this is all, this came out.
Yep.
Pulled this out.
Cabinets out.
And we already talked about everything else.
Yep.
So what he's gonna do, well, we'll talk about that later. That's down the road. Didn't do anything in here. You show this is where the laundry's gonna go. Did you show that?
Yep. We decided that we're not going to knock that wall out because we need to retain the closet on the other side. So the stackable washer and dryer will go into this cavity, and I'll be plumbing into this back side. So this closet will disappear because we have those 2 closets on this room, but the other bedroom would suffer because it wouldn't have a closet unless it was part of the laundry. This room has not changed, right?
No, all the carpet strips out now, but
Yep.
yeah, that's it. That's not a little thing.
Big change in here.
Yeah, big change. We got all the cabinets out, sink, all that garbage stuff. She'll have to take these down. That's
Yeah,
all.
so I'll take the uppers down,
Yeah.
and then we have to strip the floor. But
Yeah.
so right there.
And then you talk about what we've decided to do as far as this.
Well, we're going to close this window up. We thought we were going to keep it, but we just need the space for the kitchen, and it gets in the way of putting a fridge, etc. So a fridge is going to go into this corner, and then there'll be a cabinet beside that, the sink base beside that, the dishwasher, and then it'll make a L, so we'll have cabinets that come across there. And the stove will be basically where it's currently sitting. So basically we'll have an L-shaped kitchen like that. And then on this opposite wall, potentially between those 2 doors, we could put some kind of additional storage or shelving or something. But
Or maybe a little table and chairs.
yeah, something, but that's something we'll go over there potentially. That is going to retain, we're going to just keep that as, we thought about putting the fridge in here, but the more we looked at it, the more we decided, no, we're going to keep that as storage, and we'll clean it up and make it look better, but that's the plan there. Okay?
You want to stop it and then do another video?
We'll stop and then do another video. Come back in a minute.